Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word biter. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The dog was known to be a biter, so the owner had to take precautions around other people and animals. A biter refers to an animal or person who habitually bites or attacks others aggressively, often causing harm or injury through their biting behavior. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.